Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to explain you what are the variables and how to use variable inside your program. So first of all, variables are used to store your data during program execution. Suppose if I write x is equals to 10, then 10 value stored inside x variable, y is equals to 1.2, 1.2 value stored inside y variable. So what is exactly variables? So actually your data stored inside memory. Suppose consider this is the memory location and this memory location stored 10 value. This 10 value stored inside the memory location and name given to this memory location is which one? X. Same is applicable here. Suppose there is another memory location and inside this memory location, this value is stored, that is called 1.2 value is stored, and name given to that memory location is called which one? Y. So you can say your data actually stored inside the memory, but name given to that memory location is called what? Variables. So when I say X, then that will refer to this memory location. When I say Y, then that will refer to which one? This memory location. So that is the definition of which one? Variables. Now, next point I want to discuss how to declare the variable inside Python language. So inside Python, there is no need to explicitly declare the variables. Variables data type automatically decided by the Python when we assign value to that variable. For example, check out here. If I write x is equals to 100, means here I am assigning 100 integer value to the x variable. So Python automatically decide this is integer variable. So how to check the data type of the variable inside Python? So you can use one special function provided by Python that is called type function. Using type function, you can check the data type of the variable. So just write down here print in bracket type x. So that will print the data type of the variable. So check out where execute this one and the data type of x variable is which one? Integer. Here I have not specified the data type of x variable, that is automatically decided by which one? Python. Take another example. Suppose if I write y is equals to 1.2 and print the data type of what? Y variable by using which one? Type function, type in bracket y. Now here I am assigning 1.2 value to the y variable, that is the float value. So Python will automatically decide the data type of y, that is equals to which one? Float. So when I execute this one, that will display the data type of y is equals to which one? Float. Take another example. Suppose if I write like name is equals to ABC. Now here name variable is declared and what is the value of the name variable? That is called ABC. Now I want to check the data type of the name variable. For this purpose, I'm again going to use the type function in bracket name. So when I execute this one, check out the data type of the name variable. Data type of the name variable is which one? String. Str means what? String. Because we assign ABC value, that is a string, to the name variable. So the point you have to remember, there is no need to explicitly declare variable inside the Python like any other languages like C, C++ and Java. But when we assign the value to the variable, data type of the variable is automatically decided by which one? Python. So this is the way to declare the variable inside Python. Now, next point I want to discuss, that is called assigning value to the variable. How to assign the value? Check out here. Simplest way is write down x is equals to 100. That will assign 100 value to the x variable. When I print x, that will print the value of x variable. Execute this one. That will print the value of x variable. But suppose I want to assign multiple values to the multiple variables, like check out a comma b comma c is equals to, I want to assign like this one, 10, then comma 1.2, then comma ABC. Now what is the meaning of this one? Now in this example, 10 value stored inside the a variable, 1.2 value stored inside which one? B variable, ABC value stored inside which one? C variable. So this is called assigning multiple values to the multiple variable within a single line. So just write down print A, that will print the value of A, that is 10. Then print B, that will print the value of what? B variable, that is 1.2. Print C, that will print the value of C variable, that is what? ABC. So when I execute this one, check out the output. 10 ABC, sorry, 10 1.2, and lastly which one? ABC. Now what is the another way to assign the value? Suppose I want to assign same value to every variable. Then how to assign the same value to the every variable? Suppose I want to assign like 200 value to the three variable ABC variable. So write down A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 200. Now what is the meaning of this one? The 200 value assigned to all three variables. So all three variable has the same value. Just print the value of what? A variable, then print the value of B variable, and lastly print the value of what? C variable. Remove this one. Okay, now this is the way to assign same value to the all variable within a single line. So just execute this one, you will get the same output, that is equals to which one? 200, 200 and 200. Now what are the rules you have to remember while declaring which one? Variables. So there are some rule you have to follow while selecting the variable name. First rule, your variable name can contain capital letter, small case letter, or digits. Means you can select any letter like this one. Check out here, from small letter, small a to small z, any letter, or you can write small capital A to what? Capital Z, any letter, or you can select which one? 0 to 9. Okay, any digit, or one more character is remaining, that is called underscore. So you can use combination of what? Any character. So for example, if I write A1, that is the what? A1 variable name. A2, that is the A2 variable name. Here I'm using combination of what? Small case letter and which one? Digit. So you can combine what? Small case letter, capital letter, or digit. Here take uppercase letter example, A2 for example. So here I'm writing A2 is equals to what? Like 300. Now here I'm using combination of what? Uppercase letter and which one? Digit. So you can use combination of what? Small case letter, uppercase letter, or digit. That is the first rule you have to remember. Second rule, don't start variable name with a digit. Suppose if you write like this one, 1b is equals to 200, so that is not possible. So you cannot start your variable name with what? Digit. That is the point you have to remember. Third point, what is the third point? Never use special symbol inside which one? Variable name. Suppose you cannot use like this one, like a at the rate 123. So here we cannot use which one? At the rate symbol, because that is the special symbol, and special symbol cannot be used inside which one? Variable name. So these are the variable name rules you have to remember while creating the variables. So I'm going to repeat what are the points we discussed inside this video. First, what are the variables? Second, how to declare the variables, because Python is a dynamic type language, so there is no need to declare the variable inside the Python. Its data type is automatically decided by Python. Third, how to assign the value to the variable. And lastly, how to choose the variable name. So these are the points we discussed inside this video.